Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to model this desktop multi-organizer. You will learn to create 2D sketch using lines, polylines, and circle commands, and then turn that sketch into 3D solid using the pad, pocket, and fillet commands. Let's get started. Click on Parametric Part Template. Make sure you are in Part Design Workbench. First step in any 3D modeling is to create a 2D sketch. The sketch is a 2D plane where you draw the cross-section or profile of the 3D feature you want to create. Click on Create Sketch command and pick XY plane. Click on Create Rectangle command and start drawing at the origin. Make sure the cursor looks like this. Type 300 mm for the width, press Enter, and type 150 mm for the height. Press Enter. Right-click and select Fit All to see the full sketch. Click on Create Circle command and click somewhere here along this line, and click again at this corner. Again, make sure the cursor looks like this. This means constraints are applied. Now I will add dimension to this circle. Click on Dimension command and click on the circle. Type 80 mm for the diameter. Press Enter. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained. A sketch with the correct constraints is called fully constrained, meaning every element size and position is locked and cannot be moved or distorted accidentally. Right-click to exit the command. Close the window. Switch to Model tab and Control-select these 4 lines. Click on Pad command. Type 100 for the height and press Enter. Now I am going to add radius to this edge. Click on this edge and click on Fillet command. Type 40 mm for the radius and press Enter. Let's add radius to front side. Control-select these edges and click on Fillet command. Type 30 mm for the radius. Press Enter. Now click on this face and click on Thickness command. So this command will remove the selected faces and add thickness to rest of the faces. Type 3 for the thickness. Press Enter. Click on this arrow and turn on the visibility of the sketch by clicking on this eye icon. Click on the circle and click on Pad command. Type 150 mm for the length. Select this face and click on Create Sketch command. Click on this Create External Geometry command. This command allows you to project visible edges from the 3D model onto the current 2D sketch plane. These reference lines help you as guidelines for your current sketch. And click on this edge. Click on Create Circle command and click on this center point. Click somewhere here and add dimension between the 2 circles. Type 3 and press Enter. Close the window. Click on Pocket command, select up to face from this drop-down. And click on this bottom face. Click OK. Right-click to exit the command. Now I am going to add walls inside this container. Click on this face and click on Create Sketch command. Click this command again to copy external reference lines. Click on this edge and this edge. Click on Create Rectangle command. Start at this corner. Make sure the cursor looks like this to apply automatic constraints. And click on this edge. Add dimension. Type 3 and press Enter. Close the window. Click on Pad command. Select Up to Shape from this drop-down. This option extrudes the profile up to the shape whatever it's. Click OK. Let's add more walls. Click on this face and click on Create Sketch. Let's copy these edges for reference. Draw a rectangle like this. And add these dimensions. Close the window. Click on Pad command. Pick Up to Face option. Click on the bottom face and click OK to close the window. Now I am going to add this shape. Click on the bottom face and click on Create Sketch command. Copy these reference lines. Click on this command to change lines to construction lines. The construction line is to help you build and position your actual model geometry accurately, but the line itself is not considered part of the final object. Click on Line command. Draw a line somewhere here like this. As you can see, construction lines are dashed lines. I draw this line just to help me place the profile sketch in place. With minimum control, I am going to add vertical constraint to this line. Now it is vertically constrained. Let's add a dimension to fix its position. Make it 175 mm. Let's switch this back to regular lines. And I am going to draw a circle at the middle of this construction line. Make it 45 mm diameter. Close the window. Let's extrude this profile up to this face. Select this face and click on Create Sketch command. And copy these external edges for reference. Click on Centered Rectangle from this drop-down. Click on the center of the circle and make sure not to click if you see this symmetric constraint. Just move your mouse away. and click somewhere along the reference line. Add a dimension to make it fully constrained sketch. Always make sure the sketch is fully constrained. Close the window. Click on this arrow to expand the attachment offset properties of this sketch. Expand position and type -15 to move the sketch down. Let's extrude this profile up to bottom face. Let's make a pocket with 3 mm wall thickness to the cylinder. Let's add one more wall. Click on this face, click on Create Sketch command. Copy these edges and pick Regular Rectangle command from this drop-down. Draw a rectangle like this. Add these dimensions. Click on Pad command and pick up to Shape option because the bottom surface is curved. Check the model to make sure this option worked correctly. Alright, it's time to do the last step. Select this face and click on Create Sketch command. Copy these edges for reference. Click on Create Polyline command. Click on this edge and draw a shape like this. The message telling me to remove the redundant constraints. Right-click to exit and click on this to select the redundant constraints and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. Now let's add dimensions to make it fully constrained sketch. Click on Pocket command and pick through all option. Now I will add radius to these edges. Control select these edges. Click on Fillet command. Type 15 for radius. That's the end of this tutorial. I encourage you to model something similar. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button to support the channel, and be sure to subscribe for a new 3D modeling tutorials. Thanks for modeling with me. See you soon.